Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. So today we are going to see Composer tutorial and we will see how to autoload files in Composer. So there are four methods that Composer supports. So one is file autoloading, then there is class autoloading, PSR0 autoloading and PSR4 autoloading. So PSR0 is now like deprecated. So we will cover other three. So now in this video, I'll show you first one, file auto loading. So let's get started with today's video. So let me first show you composer.json. So here you can see autoload field I have kept as of now empty. And if I'll show you index.php, you can see I have included my index2.php and just echo some text. And in index2.php, I have used one helper function. So helper function, if I'll show you here, you can see it is created in helpers.php file. So helper function, you can see it's returning some string. So now let me show you this in browser. So here you can see now it's as of now helper function is giving error as that file I have not included in index2.php. So now let's see how we can achieve this using composer autoload. So now first write composer update. So this will create vendor folder with autoload files. So now that autoload file we are going to include here. So that is in index.php. So include vendor slash autoload.php file. So now let's autoload our file, helper file. So now let's go to composer file, and here in autoload write files, that will be array. You can define multiple files, but as of now only one file I'm defining. So here my file is in src folder, so src slash helpers.php. So now let's run another command, that is composer dump autoload, as autoload files will be changed. So here you can see it's dumped and auto generated. So now let's refresh, and now you can see helper file is coming. Its echo is basically printed. So now let's give a break as it's not clearly visible. So write br. Now let's refresh. So index file you can see. Now let's give everywhere we are echoing. Let's just give one br, and here as well. Now let's check in browser. So you can see helper file is loaded, index file is loaded, and test is function call, that is in helper. So that is printed. So last print you can see in index file, and before that index2 is loaded. So that's why you are seeing index file, and test as helper function is called. And before that helper file you can see as it is autoloaded. So that's how you can autoload files in Composer. So I have kept it very short and informative. So in my next video I'll show you class map autoloading. So that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.